Hello, my name is Hüseyin Hacıyev. I am from Azerbaijan. I was born in Baku 2001 and I am completed my bachelor degree in international relations at WSB University in Poland, which I am completed 2023. And let me briefly introduce myself. I can speak 5 languages: English, German, Polish, Russian and Turkish. And these multilingual skills allows me to engage culturally diverse and diplomatic environments. And I have a deep interest in European integration, international cooperation and governance, and I want to emphasize that European Union playing a crucial role in shaping global policies. And I am eager to explore its complexities through this master degree program at Kafkaskari University, and as I plan to work Foreign Minister of Azerbaijan after completing my master degree at Kafkaskari University. And I am confident that this program will help me the skills needed to become a successful diplomat. And my motivation for pursuing this master degree program at Kafkaskari University stems from strong deep interest in the European Union political, economic and legal dynamics. And studying in European Union country allowed me to witness its impact firsthand. And I aim to deepen my understanding European Union institutions and current challenges from migration to climate policy. And my internship at Foreign Ministry of Azerbaijan has further strengthened my passion for diplomacy and international relations. And I aspire to contribute European Union research and policy making. And I expect Kafkaskari University to provide me with strong academic foundation in European Union studies, as well as practical knowledge through seminars, discussions, and research opportunities. And I look forward to learning from experienced professors and connecting with students from different backgrounds. And I also hope to improve my research and communication skills, better understand political and institutions dynamic of European Union. Studying in Italy, a key member of European Union country, will give me valuable insights into European integration and policy making. Studying abroad is a great way to experience new culture and gain international academic experience and grow personally and professionally. And during my undergraduate studies in Poland, I learned how to adapt new country and connect with people from different backgrounds. While it can be challenging, but I believe this experience built resilience and independence, which will benefit my future career and goals. And thank you so much for your pay attention. Ciao.